vehicle? Check out the 2015 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, premium sound system, universal garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.